In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best post-purchase upsell apps for Shopify. Post-purchase upsell apps are a powerful way to increase your average order value by showing customers relevant offers right after they complete a purchase. Instead of letting the thank you page be a dead end, you can turn it into an extra revenue opportunity. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find these apps inside your Shopify admin, what to look for, and how to choose the right one for your store. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the search bar that runs across the header. Click on that search bar. A drop-down menu will appear with different sections you can search within. From this drop-down, click on the option labeled Apps. This tells Shopify that you want to search the App Store, not just your store's internal settings. Now, in that same search field, type in terms related to what you need. For post-purchase upsells, good keywords include post-purchase upsell, checkout upsell, one-click upsell, or order bump upsell. You don't have to type all of them at once. Start with one phrase, then you can refine later. After you've entered your keyword, press Enter on your keyboard. Shopify will now open the App Store results page for that search term. Here, you'll see a list of different upsell apps that match what you typed. For each app, pay close attention to a few key details displayed in the results. You'll see the star rating, which gives you a quick sense of user satisfaction. You'll also see how many reviews the app has. A high rating with a solid number of reviews usually indicates a more reliable option. Next, look at the pricing information under each app name. You'll often see labels like free, free trial, free plan available, or free to install. These tell you how the app charges. Some are completely free, some have a free tier with paid upgrades, and others offer a trial before you commit. You'll also see a short description that explains the app's primary focus, such as one-click upsells, order bumps, or thank you page offers. Among the many options, you'll likely come across popular tools focused on one-click post-purchase upsells, apps that add offers on the thank you page and during checkout, or solutions specializing in cart and post-purchase order bumps. You'll also see simple post-purchase offer apps and more advanced tools that handle both upsells and cross-sells in the cart or checkout. If an app catches your eye and you want to learn more, simply click on its name. This opens the app's dedicated information page. Here you can read a detailed feature list, see screenshots or videos of how it works, and review the full pricing structure, including different plans. Make sure to scroll through the reviews to understand common pros and cons from real merchants, and check the support section to see how responsive the developer is. Once you've compared a few options and decided which app best fits your goals and budget, you're ready to add it to your store. On the apps page, look for the install button and click it. Shopify will guide you through the installation and ask you to approve the necessary permissions. After that, the app will be added to your admin, ready for you to configure your post-purchase offers and start increasing your revenue.